Sweet Jesus, there's still more tomatoes. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda, kinda new here. If you're kinda new here, well, welcome. Yeah, you saw that bowl, right? So many tomatoes. So what am I going to do with it today? Well, I've already made tomato paste. I've already made like chili starter, which is just like tomatoes, onions, peppers, and stuff all together. I've made spaghetti sauce. I'm going to make a vegetarian chili. So, time to chop veggies. I got through all those tomatoes. Look at this. Look at how many are in this crock pot. Holy crap. Do you see all those tomatoes filling this 6-quart crock pot? Sweet Jesus. I truly hope that is the end. It's not the end. I still have a lot of tomatoes left. Since I'm making veggie chili, gotta have onion in that, right? Yeah. Well, am I gonna cut it? Nope. I zipped it in the food processor. I didn't show you. I took 4 onions, cut them in half. They're from my garden, so they were like small, like medium-sized onions. And I zipped them up. I'm going to add this. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add a little water to this so I could swish it around, throw it in the thing. My onion water stuff going in. I needed to put a little onion in this crock pot anyway. Next, I'm gonna go grab some garlic out of the fridge. I'll be right back. I got some garlic. I got a lot of garlic. Yes, I buy them in stuff. Why? Because I am not a chef. I'm just a housewife who's making sure that I can go do easy stuff later. And I added 2. Well, this is the third one. Forkfuls, because I can. There's nothing about my cooking that is exact. I'm more of a method kind of gal. Give me a moment, I'll be right back. Alright, I got my seasonings out. I got a measuring spoon, which really is just because I had a long handle. See? So this here, the first thing I'm throwing in is this. This is a lot of bit of different seasonings mixed together. It is not minced onion. So what I do is when I get down to like whatever's left of the bottom of a savory seasoning, well, I throw it in with this. If I'm to the end of a seasoning salt, I throw it in. Usually it's pretty good. There's some turmeric in here. There's some garlic powder, garlic salt, pepper. Gosh, I have no idea. So I put like 3 tablespoons of whatever this is in there. Mostly because I figure it can't hurt. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Maybe 2. Okay, that's a heaping tablespoon. Okay, that is 2 tablespoons of chili powder. And I also have smoked paprika. Since I already have onion, I already have garlic, that's really all I need. That's about a half a tablespoon because it's what I have. Oh, look. I have crushed red pepper. I'll throw that in. Why am I doing it that way? Okay, so I have a tablespoon of that. But I think I have some... I have peppers. I have diced peppers in the freezer. Hold on. God bless my husband. So, I'm just going to throw a handful or half that bag. Basically, these are Serrano and Poblano peppers. Yeah, I threw in like a cup of frozen peppers, I'm guessing. Now, I'm going to add some beans. The other day, I made dried beans, a mixture of dried beans, because it's chili season. That's what you do. So, in each of these, I took them out of the freezer. There is 1.5 cups of beans, and it's black beans, pinto beans, white beans. I'm going to throw those in. One moment. Alright, so beans are added. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, that's a lot of beans. But let's give it a smush down. And please remember, all these tomatoes that are in there, they're going to cook down. So, now we wait. Behind me is that crock pot full of chili. The tomatoes were in there for maybe like 4 or 5 hours on low with all the goodies, the beans, the peppers, the onion, the seasonings and such. Well, that's a crock pot full of veggie spaghetti? No, veggie chili. And it's steaming. So the plan is I'm going to let that cool off. And then I'm going to put it into little like deli containers or plastic containers. And portion it out. Because one of those containers, that's a meal or two for my husband and I. But this here, that's a lot of freaking chili. If you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. What are some things that you do with tomatoes? Because sweet Jesus, I still have more coming and I need ideas. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.